guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. And probably as you guessed already, today we will talk about bow stroke and it will be legato. Legato bow stroke, one of the most beautiful bow strokes on violin. This is my opinion. Why? Because legato help us to sing on our instrument. But don't think that this bow stroke very easy. No, there is so many things to do with this bow stroke. Legato is a bow stroke when we are playing two notes or how many want the composer on one bow movement. For example, here we have only two notes per one bow movement. And so on. To be able to play very good and quality legato, of course, one of the most important things to have your bow right in the middle between the fingerboard and between bridge. And also your bow have to be in a parallel with the bridge. So when you are crossing the strings, like for example in this pulse, don't forget to change the level of your elbow. This is very important. Because these two notes have to sound very smooth. In case if you want to change the position or level of your elbow, it will sound something like this. No, no, no. Change the elbow level and then play the note. First, you can exercise with the stops. Stop, move your elbow, next note. You can start with the full bow. Then with the less bow. Yeah, and then without stops. Also, for a good legato, don't forget that first you have to place your finger on the string and then move the bow. That's why we need that playing with the stops. Place the finger and then move the bow. And without the stops, with the changing level of the elbow and placing first finger. When you are playing legato, you have to find the right positioning or level of your right elbow. You know that on G string the elbow has to be very high, on D a little bit lower, on A lower than on a D, and E lower than on A, but not right next to your body. Let's not exaggerate. So when you are playing legato, you have to find that position between two strings. This will be perfect positioning for you. When you are playing legato, don't forget, not only string crossing have to be smooth, but also bow changing. Don't forget to finish the movement right here when you are playing next to the frog, to help yourself with your fingers to be able to finish the movement. up or down. So the bow change have to be smooth here. And here at the tip of a bow. For a smooth bow changing, at the tip of a bow we are helping with our index and next to the frog, for smooth bow changing, we are helping with our pinky. Yeah, and by the way, if you have any additional questions, you always can ask me on my Instagram page, valeriiavoitko violin, or right here in the comments. And of course, don't forget subscribe to my channel, because here I have violin lessons for the beginners, theory music lessons for the beginners, intermediate violin lessons, and of course reviews. Subscribe, press the bell, and you will be able to learn something new. Bye!